Hi, this is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there, welcome to Step To It. Today we're going to go over heel hitches. They're pretty simple, there's not much to them. Let's say I'm going to do a right heel hitch. I'm going to have my weight on the left. I'm going to put my right heel out, hitch my heel up to my knee, and then put my foot back down. So I'm going to hitch and replace my weight. At this point, my weight is distributed evenly because I don't know what the choreographer wants me to do next. So if I was going to do a left heel hitch, it would be the same thing. Heel, hitch, and replace my weight. Usually in a dance, it's going to come after some heel hook, heels to the ground, heel, hitch, heel, or heel, hitch, step. So these are kind of exaggerated steps. That's not really what they're going to look like in the dance. In the dance, it's going to look more like heel, hitch, heel. Because you probably have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 beats to get all those movements in. You can do all the same stuff on the left-hand side. You do a heel, hitch, heel, or heel, hitch, step. And that is how you do a heel hitch. Have fun with it. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.